So in this video, what we need to do, basically we need to hide these replies unless someone clicked on this, two replies and so on. So we can leverage that with Alpine.js, since it's included in this installation files in our, if we go to app.plate and you go up, we should see something about Alpine. It's already included there, so we can utilize it, similar to Vue.js if someone is coming from that background, but so simple that we will do something. We add the data here directly. We can say x data, what data we need as a variable. Let's assume we create one open called open variable false. So this will be wrapped inside this div. All this div can see this variable. So if that's true, what we need to do here, basically we can do something, create div and move this include up inside this div, and then we say x show, which is basically only show, or that we can connect it with open. So since open is false, if we are right in our discussion here, then we should be able, we don't see this one or reply. So I can see only two replies here. Maybe I can correct here, we can make some spaces as well here. So now what I need, when I click on this one, then I want to change this property to again to true and so on, or we can toggle it basically. And again, so simple, we can say at click dot prevent, and we can say open equal open, but I'll put this one exclamation mark, so it will toggle, it will open and close, and then again this will be reflected on this div. So if I go now and say okay, let me just click on this, see, you can see it, click again, it will hide, and so on. For this one I can click and see it, I can hide it, and so on. So simple using Alpine.js.